Good morning, class 11th, and today your subject is accountancy. And today we will read the chapter number 4, Basis of Accounting. Now, the process and basis of accounting. This one is your fourth chapter, and this one is your part 1 video. We will discuss in this the process of accounting here and the terms related to process of accounting. I've already discussed with you in the chapter number 1 the process of accounting. First one, we will identify the transaction, identification of transaction. Next one is preparation of voucher. After that we will prepare the voucher. Clear? And we will recording the entries at the journal entry. After recording in the books of the original entry, we will posting into to the ledger. And after the ledger posting, we will prepare the trial balance and the financial statements. It represent the financial position of the company overall and describe it the process of accounting very clearly. Now the first process is identification of transaction. So the accounting deal with the business transaction, and the business transaction are monetary in nature. So for this purpose we have to prepare a source document. And source document means a document which provided evidence of the transaction is called the source document, which provide the evidence. We will discuss in the chapter number 8 the source document related to the basis of origin. And basically these are the document which are evidence in nature and disclose all the facts related to the business transactions dealing. Clear? Now we will move to the second process, and the second step is the preparation of voucher. So the documents prepared for the purpose of recording business transaction in the books of account are known as the voucher. And the voucher basically are prepared for the recording the transactions in the books of account. See, in the business transaction we are prepare the source document, as source document is an example of the voucher. Now it's clear, students? The one is the example of source document is the voucher. We will this chapter we will study in a chapter number 8. Clear? Now we will move to the third process, the recording in the books of original entry. So the books in which transactions are recorded for the first time from a voucher or a source document are called the books of original entry. Means the books जिसमें हम ट्रांजेक्शन करते हैं, इन विच द ट्रांजेक्शन आर रिकॉर्डेड एट द फर्स्ट टाइम, जब हम पहली बार ट्रांजेक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं वाउचर से या सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट्स में से बुक्स ऑफ ओरिजिनल एंट्री में. और बुक्स ऑफ ओरिजिनल एंट्री क्या है हमारी? जर्नल और सब्सिडरी बुक्स. क्लियर? सो द जर्नल एंड सब्सिडरी बुक्स आर द example of books of original entry. Now the fourth point, posting to ledger. So the posting of ledger, it refers to the process of transferring all entries in the journal or subsidiary books to respective accounts in ledger. So we are posting the transaction into the ledger, and it refers to the process of transferring all entries in the journal or subsidiary books to respective accounts in a ledger. So from the books of original entry, from the journal entry, from the journal books, from the subsidiary books, we are transferring the entries into the ledger. That is called the books of the final entry. Clear, students? Now we will move to the fifth point. Now fifth is preparation of the trial balance and the financial statement. this one is the last one chapter in your book. And what do you mean by the term trial balance? Trial balance is a list and total of all the debit and credit accounts for an entity for a given period. So it is prepared to check the arithmetical accuracy of posting and balancing the ledger account. So we will prepare the trial balance after the posting to the ledger. So after posting to the ledger, we will prepare the trial balance to list out the debits and credits. And the last, after we will discuss the financial statement. So financial statements are prepared to find out the financial performance and financial position of the business entity, and the financial statement showing the financial performance of the company. And financial performance we will know from the trading and P&L account, because trading and P&L account are providing us the revenue and the losses. And the financial position we will get know from the balance sheet. So we have to check the accuracy and the judgment of all the accounts. We have to prepare the balance sheet. This one is showing the financial position of the company. Now I am hope you have clear this one chapter, the part 1 video of the process and basis of accounting. And we will continue this chapter. The part 2 video we will discuss in the next video. So take care at home. Goodbye students. Thank you. Stay blessed.